Hello guys, welcome back again to my kitchen where we make mouth-watering delicacy. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I prepare this yummy and tasty suya rice. If today is your first time of coming across this video, you are welcome. I bet you will enjoy it in this place. With no further ado, let's jump right into this video. I'll be using the following ingredients: chopped onions. You can use white onions. I'll be using mackerel fish. I'll be using chicken. I'll be using red bell pepper. I'll also be using tomatoes and atarodo fresh pepper, and then the suya itself. And I'll also be using some rice. The first thing I'll be doing is to add some vegetable oil into my clean pan. I will allow this to hot for some minutes, and then I'll be adding the chopped onions. You can use white onions if that is what you have at home, and then I'll fry this for some minutes, and then I'll be adding the chopped atarudo, aka fresh pepper, the one you know you can tolerate. I will also fry this for some minutes. Thank you guys for always stopping by to watch all my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe. Next, I'll be adding the rough blended pepper. I will stir this up and allow this to cook for 1 to 2 minutes before adding the next ingredient. And after some minutes, I will be adding the chopped tomatoes. And guys, if you have watched this video up to this moment and you like what you are seeing, please don't forget to give this video a like. Don't forget to share, and also don't forget to subscribe and leave your comment in the comment box. Please guys, subscribe. It is free to subscribe. I'll go ahead to cover this to cook for 5 to 6 minutes, and then I'll open up the pot. Now I'll be adding suya pepper, 2 types of suya pepper. Next I'll be adding paprika pepper. I'll also be adding curry powder, and thereafter I will go ahead to add seasoning cubes into this. I will add some salt as well, and then give everything a good stir. Look at that guys, our stew base is ready. Now I'll go ahead to add the parboiled rice. You can use basmati rice, you can use any rice of your choice. After adding the parboiled rice, I will go ahead to stir this up. I will not be adding water immediately. I'm going to allow this rice to cook for 1 to 2 minutes in this sauce. I will cover this up and allow to cook. Then I'll open it up. I will give it a stir before adding the water. After giving everything a good stir, and I have toasted this a little bit, I'll go ahead to add water. You can add meat stock, you can add any stock of your choice, but I have water. Now I will go ahead to add the suya. I did this myself. Then I also go ahead to add the deboned mackerel fish, which I also smoked myself, and then I will give everything a good stir. For the mackerel fish, it is very optional. I will go ahead to taste it, and the salt and the maggi was not enough, so I went ahead to add some seasoning, and then I will give this a stir, and thereafter I will test again to see if everything is okay. Now that everything is fine, I will go ahead to cover this up with my foil paper, and then cook this for 10 to 20 minutes all until it is done. Have you subscribed? What are you waiting for? Go ahead to click the subscription bell so that you'll be the first person to receive any notification whenever I upload a new video. Now I will go ahead to open up the pot after 20 minutes. I'll go ahead to check this up. I will add the chicken, and then I will give everything a stir. At this point, my kitchen is full of nice aroma. I hope you'll be trying this recipe out. I'll go ahead just to cook for few minutes, and thereafter guys, our suya rice is ready. Wow guys, this meal was so yummy. It was so tasty. My husband enjoyed this. I will go ahead to serve this and then I will devour it. Thank you guys for always stopping by to watch my video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. Help your girl to grow her channel. Subscribe, share, and give this video a thumbs up. Keep eating good food, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.